I'm outside on my porch on, all right. I'm gonna see if this is going to turn on the washer. So hit that to 96%. See if it gives me a, oh, I'd hit this. It's green. Uh-oh, I think I just heard something on the washer. It's sung. There's nothing in there. Let me see. All right, I'm just gonna hit start. It says 69 watts, 20 watts, 12 watts. The Predator is powering my washer. And if I just stop it, stop. Oh, and then hit quick wash. That means it's gonna be like 25 minutes. Where's the timer? I forgot even where the numbers display. Let me see right quick. It don't say overload, it say 13. Oh, 25 minutes. Come on, bruh. It's not filling up or anything, so I'm gonna stop it. And it didn't overload it. Cut it off. Still, y'all, I think I'll be able to wash my clothes. Yo, I have plenty of water on the property. Plenty of water. So, man. All right, let me just, I just gotta figure out about how many feet this is for the water hose from there to here. Got enough water. And then, of course, we got more water right here. We have water in the drum. So what if I just move this? That's the big drum. This is the lighter drum. Put it over here. Yo, I'm gonna be washing my clothes off crib with my washer and dryer. Stay tuned. You'd like to see that first wash. That if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. This is Alwanza, 40 acres, baby. 40 acres.